Fortnite has once again pushed the boundaries of player creativity with its latest update, and this time, it's diving into the chilling world of Squid Game. Hey GadInsiders, we're back with another exciting update from the gaming world. As part of the 2025 collaboration, Epic Games introduced a comprehensive creator guide designed to help players build their own Squid Games-inspired island maps using the new tools in Fortnite Creative. This update came with a lot of exciting features, including 2 fully customizable Squid Game templates, new disguises and throwables, a carryable spawner device, interactive NPCs, and even a skilled interaction device. Players can now also add prompts, implement voting systems, and get creative with game dynamics using these tools. But with great power comes a lot of rules. Alongside these additions, Epic also released a strict brand and creator rulebook that all map makers must follow. This ensures consistency, fairness, and appropriate use of the Squid Game theme. However, the fans had mixed feelings about this. While some fans liked the update for its creative freedom, others weren't as impressed. On Reddit, a popular thread titled "The Squid Game Update Genuinely Sucks" captured the frustration of many players. Glitches and awkward no-build zones topped the list of complaints. One user, Acrobatic Staff 799, didn't hold back, calling it another trash update by Epic Games. Some even compared it to the Call of Duty Squid Game crossover, saying they handle character skins and mechanics better. So, while Fortnite's take on Squid Game may be a step forward in creativity, it's clear that execution's everything, and fans are keeping score. Did you like the update or not? Let us know in the comments, or maybe like the video too. Subscribe to GadInsider and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.